my God. Ah, what is it?
The bog of eternal stains!
So we're out here at the range today, and I have my Glock 22 clear and unloaded. We're going to run a series of different ammunition to see what's going to work the best. I'm going to start with the Federal 40 grain, and then we're going to try some Aguila, Remington Golden, and of course the mini mag, the auto match, and see what works the best. Next up is mini mag, round nose, 40 grain. Okay, next up is the Aguila Super Extra copper plated 40 grains. Next up is the Federal Auto Match 40 grain. So let's talk about it. This is the mini mag silhouette target. Had no issues with this round. This is the 40 grain mini mag. High velocity, over 1200. Just a great overall round. Highly recommend. After that, here's the auto match. This actually had pretty good accuracy. The groups were tight. However, I had some malfunctions with this, and I think it has to do with not having any kind of lube or coating on the nose like the copper-plated mini mags or the Aguila. I noticed a lot of issues with a lot of the basic lead rounds like this. The Aguila, for me, as you can see here, no issues with this, and the price point on it is great for what you get. I mean, I've shot over 250 rounds with this, and I've had no issues whatsoever. It's a great value. So you can see here, this next kind of shows what I'm talking about with the copper plating on the Aguila, and it's the same as the mini mag versus like the Federal Auto Match, which is a standard lead. So for me, it's Aguila and mini mag by far the winners for the Glock 44. The others were subpar in overall performance. I do think the auto match could be used for some range practice if you don't mind dealing with malfunctions every few magazines. The standard bulk ammo is just going to give you a lot of fits. The Remington Golden Bullet was absolutely terrible. I've tried some 36 grain Champion. That was horrible. The 40 grain Champion isn't as bad. However, I would still steer away from that when you can get the Aguila for about 7 cents a round. Overall, my thoughts, I'm pleased with the Glock 44. It's a great training aid. You just have to run the right ammunition in it. 22s are really finicky. Sometimes they need break-in, and sometimes you just need to find what it likes to eat. So in conclusion, I hope this helped you. Take it easy, guys.